All right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So this is the last setup I had before I lost my job at the airport. So this was the setup that I had. So I'm just going to go through the outside first and then the inside. So starting out, we got a triangle and a 1-inch pipe cutter from Milwaukee. I'm going to try to focus this a little better. It's focusing on the carpet. Anyways, got that. And then over here, we got my 5-in-1 Allen from Klein Tools, and then I forgot the name of these are like wrench pliers. Steven got me these for Christmas, and then those are the 7.5s, and then a very mangled bit tip there with the Phillips in it. And then I got my demolition driver right here. This thing is taking a beating literally, and the focus on this is terrible. I'm trying to fix it. It's not working. So there's my beater screwdriver, and I have my Greenlee torpedo level, which is severely broken, and I have another one that I need to replace it with, but it's been doing the job. And then I have two, which are my most used and favorite tools, two of the Comfort Grip 10-inch Cobra pliers from Knipex. And then going over here, I have a extension with another bit on it, Phillips, some markers, Sharpie, and wet erase. Usually just use the wet erase for pipes and stuff like that so you can wipe it off easily. Really don't use Sharpies that much anymore. And then I have my ratcheting stubby, which I really love, which is almost the same as this guy right here, but I can ratchet and has some other bits in there. I think it has a square in there as well, so love that one. I got my Jonard Tools little diagonal cutters right here. These have been nice, really nice sharp blades. Over here we have my laser pointer, which I love, and it's also a hot pen, but mostly just for the laser pointer. I'm sorry, this is not focused at all. Then I have my 7-in-1 impact flip socket head right here. I like to use this one specifically for my drill, and then I also have the 9-in-1 over here with the 3/4 socket, which is good for 1/2-inch fittings. And then I have my flesh cutters from Klein Tools. And then lastly over here we have the Irwin jab saw, which my coworker made a nice sheath for me, and then the pipe reamer right here for anything bigger than basically 1 inch. And then moving on to the inside, I have my magnetic 25-foot tape measure, which is like 7 years old by now probably. I literally ripped off all the rubber on that, so it's literally just naked. And then I have my Klein Tools hammer, which is also very, very old. I've had this thing forever, that I got from a non-union company that I worked for several years ago, like 2016 or something like that. So pretty old. And then on the inside, I have my Fluke hot pen tester. This is so blurry, I am so sorry. And then I have my Klein Tools multi-tweaker right here, which is Phillips and slotted. And then I have my owl right here, the spring-loaded owl. You know what I'm saying. And then I have my Jonard Tools, Phillips, and slotted insulated screwdrivers. And then also I have my Klein Tools multi screwdriver right there. So if I want to just do one, or if I just need something specific, Jonard Tools right here with the alignments, which are nice, very similar to the Klein's. And they also have, I believe, right there, the fish tape puller right there on the left, straight edge. And they also have a crimper, which is nice, so that's crazy. I have my personal small file right here, which I got from Dyna Electric back in the day. Very nice, small, which will fit inside pretty much all your pipes, 3/4 and 1/2 inch, I believe. safety knife right here, which is a better safety knife than most of the other ones that are just spring-loaded and crap, like this yellow one up here, which is absolute garbage from Klein Tools. Sorry, love Klein Tools, but that one sucks. So this one's nice. And then I have my 11-in-1 right here. I'll flip this around. My 11-in-1, which I switched out some bits, I think. I put some Allens in here, but mainly just use this for the square and the Allens. And then, like I said, I have the 9-in-1 right here with the 3/4. My Jonard Tools wire strippers. And I really haven't used these that much because I wasn't really doing any wire at the airport. Basically just piping and boxes and strings. And then my Fujiya diagonal cutters, which I don't know if I ever made a video on these. They sent these to me and I've been using them for like 2 years and they've been actually amazing. So probably need to give them a shout out more than I have, but these have been great. And then I have another Phillips screwdriver. I'm not sure why this is even in here. I think this was for like a beater screwdriver for like anchors and stuff, but I never really used it. Then I have my glow-in-the-dark needle nose right here from Klein Tools. And that's literally it. So anyways, that's my current setup of what I had. And that's pretty much got me through the last year at the airport. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and let me know what am I missing or anything like that. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Drop a comment down below. See you in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.